Hello there and a very warm welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. And today we have the great pleasure of bringing to market this incredible piece of futuristic modern technology. So here we have the BMW iX, finished in the sapphire black metallic paintwork, and this is complemented perfectly with a full black leather upholstery. Now this vehicle comes to us covered only 7,196 miles and also has a grand total of £9,180 worth of factory fitted optional extras. And of course I'd certainly like to take you through those details on this video. Now just before mentioning them, I'd say it's very important to say that this car condition, exterior and interior, is absolutely stunning. And that list of technology is quite literally as long as your arm. So I'm going to be covering a good amount of those on this video, but of course if there are any questions, if there's anything that we have missed, you're welcome to get in touch and we'll be happy to provide you with another personalised video, or of course get the details to you over the telephone. So with regards to the equipment levels, first and foremost we have £4,410 worth of Comfort Package Plus. And we also have £3,675 worth of the Sky Lounge Pack, and also an electric tow bar which came in at £1,095 from the factory. Now on this vehicle we have other items such as ambient lighting for the interior, and they're positioned right down the belt level of the interior of the doors. We also have an electric folding third row of seats, Harman Kardon sound system, an electric powered tailgate, fully electric front seats, a 360-degree all-round view camera. We also have auto hold functions for hill starts and traffic purposes, full keyless operation, which on this vehicle does take things to the next level, and we'll be seeing when I walk up to the car in a moment, the vehicle can detect I'm within range and unlock the vehicle for me. Wireless device charging, which is in the center console for mobile and multimedia devices. A full heads-up display. Virtual cockpit which stretches right across the dashboard. These 21-inch bi-colour Aero alloy wheels, plus much more. Now as we head inside the vehicle, and once I get to about a 2-metre range of the car, we're going to see, there we are, that little flash on the mirrors there. So that wasn't me pressing anything at all, that was literally just me being in range. Now inside this vehicle, that futuristic finish and look certainly does continue, and we can see here how BMW have been able to simplify the interior of the vehicle with all of the vehicle controls and operation via the large screen in the center, or of course by voice control, and all is very easy to operate via the new iDrive system in the center just there. So for driver and passenger there are ample amounts of space, huge list of functions, including all of that electric seating, the heated seat controls, the wireless charging pad we can see just beneath down there with its high grip surface for devices to be laid on, and all of that multimedia display we see can be customized for its style and content, and with ambient lighting, choice of colors, can all be personalized to each and every user. Having a look into the rear of the vehicle, again, we have a huge amount of space and comfort here for the rear seat passengers. And if we have a little look up, we can see the panoramic roof on its frosted finish currently, but with a press of a button, that can be changed from opaque to translucent and of course to fully transparent. We have the selection here of separate ventilation controls for rear seat passengers, as well as their heated seat individual controls, so that's front and rear. And positioned in the back of the seats for easy access, we have USB-C connections for rear seat passengers to charge their devices. And of course we have an incredible range on this vehicle. And the finish and quality to match. So yes, we are very proud to be bringing this one to market. And here at AMT Specialist Cars, we like to look after each and every customer and provide a very well-rounded service all under one roof. So should you have any funding requirements, please do speak with us. We can contact our panel of selected lenders and search to get you the very best deal. And please do ask us about some additional finance support on electric vehicles such as this one. For any vehicle that's outside of its manufacturer's warranty period, we have our partners at Warranty Wise to provide us with up to 3 years worth of market-leading aftermarket warranties. And of course, if you'd like to keep your vehicle looking like you see here today, we have our professionals on hand able to apply Autoglim's Life Shine product. Now this is a liquid carbon-based technology designed to bond with the paintwork and the exterior glass on the vehicle. And all of that interior is also treated, be that cloth or leather upholstery, so you can keep your car looking like this for longer. And please do ask us for some more information about that. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I do hope you find it informative. As mentioned previously, if there's anything that's missed, do please get in touch and we'll be happy to help. So thank you once again, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.